'cause you're the girl that I love best.